What's going on, guys? Today we're opening up 16 brand new Hot Wheels cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels D-Case. I'm sending one lucky subscriber a few new cars from the case, and the winner of that giveaway is... Congratulations to the winner. Now let's take a look at some new cars. Now the first car we're opening up is the newest edition of the HW Roadster's Porsche 918 Spyder. Our second car is the yellow HW Race Day 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT3. Then we have the regular edition of the Super Treasure Hunt Volkswagen T2 pickup truck. A new HW hot truck for 2019, the 67 Jeepster Commando. The new for 2019 video game Rocket League car Octane. The black on black Rod Squad 69 Dodge Charger 500. An HW Race Day Mopar Dodge Charger stock car. The red HW Roadster's Corvette C7 Z06 Convertible. An HW Speed Graphics Borla 2016 Camaro SS. The white HW Race Day 2016 Cadillac ATS-V. A new red HW Rescue police car Porsche Panamera. The Hot Wheels Police Department Interceptor, the 2010 Camaro SS. A new blue color of the Nightburners 85 Honda City Turbo 2. Here we have the treasure hunt of the D-Case, the HW Game Over Golden Twin Mill. A new purple Surf Shop edition of the Rod Squad Surf and Turf. And our final Hot Wheels car is the new for 2019 Speed Blur Muscle Bound. So there we have a bunch of Hot Wheels cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels D-Case. If you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.